Hi, I'm Mariam, and I'll be filming myself learning how to code for 30 consecutive days watching only YouTube tutorials. And at the end, I'll show you how effective learning how to code by myself is by completing a project. The programming language that I'll be learning is Python. As usual, you can find the timestamps below the video. So let's get started and join me on this journey. Day one went amazing. The tutorial was easy to follow and it was pretty smooth. I did a lot of exercises to practice what I learned. This is day 2. I haven't told you yet why I'm learning how to code. Basically, it's important for the future and I'm preparing for it. And I think you should too, because coding is an essential skill. This was day 3. I learned about if statements today, and you can see that the code is starting to get longer. Today I learned how to create an engine of a simple car game using code, and it was pretty fun, I must say. Today I learned about dictionaries in Python, and apparently they have a lot of real-life applications. Obviously, I'm just learning the basic stuff of all of the topics here, but it's still useful to know them. I'm also doing a lot of exercises to really understand the topic.
So we're 6 days in, and I've been watching the tutorial bits by bit so that it's easier to understand it, and so that I do not forget to do my homework. Alright, and do not ask me why I sound like this, but I just really wanted to try this cool sound effect. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow.
It has officially been a week, and now I'll play the rest of the days really fast because I don't want to bore you. So let's continue. So this website is called W3 Schools, and I've been using it to complete some exercises on different topics that I'm learning. So I've completed a couple of them, and basically they will give you a bunch of exercises and you have to fill in blanks. So in this case I'll write print, and I got the answer correct. So as you can see here, I've got a couple more topics left. I'm halfway in the tutorial, and in the end I'll be doing 3 projects right here, and after that I'll start a new tutorial to understand Python a little bit more and do some different exercises. for a while here, I want to tell you something. And I'm sorry if my voice sounds different. It's because I have flu and cough. It's Sunday today and I've started with a new tutorial on Python, the same programming language. And I'm finding this tutorial better because the guy teaching Python is using a lot of analogies to explain the concept, and it's also kind of fun to learn from him. And that's it. I'll meet you tomorrow. It has been 30 days. I'm happy that I invested my time in learning something useful, something beneficial, something to prepare for the future. And I can definitely not learn how to code in just 30 days, and I'll admit that I have a lot more to learn. But now at least I know the basics of coding, and I can code basic programs, and I'll continue to learn more, and until I can at least make one or two advanced projects. And this video was just to inspire you guys to use your time wisely and learn anything that would benefit you. Maybe not right now, maybe you'll not see the results right now, but it will definitely benefit you in the long run, in the future. And this was just to inspire you to not waste your time on useless activities like playing games all day. And that's it. I'll post more videos to keep you guys updated on what I'm doing. And yes,